Good afternoon, kids. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Welcome to the Abacus classes. Abacus Maths, making your child count. Now, in this video, first of all, we will do a quick revision of our previous things which we have studied before, like sums in units, rod, lower beats. In that we have studied about the units rod and its value. So the upper bead value is 5 and the lower bead value is 1. Now our today's topic. Sums in tens rod lower beads. Today we will study about the tens rod and its value. As you can see students, in front of you one abacus tool is there and the mid dot rod is the units rod and just besides the units rod is the tens rod. As you can see clearly, it is mentioned there tens rod. Now tens rod value. The upper bead value is 50 and the lower bead value is 10. Now we will start our today's topic, sums in tens rod lower bead. Now students, as you can see in front of you, one abacus tool is there and some sums I have written on the paper. Now first of all, I will give you a quick idea of the previous things which we have studied before, as this is the outer part of the abacus and is called the frame. These are the lower beads, these are the upper beads, this is the beam of abacus and these are the rods. So can you see 5 dots on the abacus tool? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is the mid dot? Where is the mid dot? Here. This is the mid dot. So this rod is called the units rod. Again I am saying this rod is the units rod, and in this rod only previously you have done your calculation. In my previous video we have done the calculation in this rod only. Now just besides this rod is the tens rod. This. As I am focusing, you can see it more clearly. Students, now you can see your abacus tool clearly as I focused on the units rod. Now you can see our units rod here. Very good. Now see, last time we have done the calculation in our units rod. This units rod lower beads. Its value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I am repeating 1, 2, 3, 4. See, we have done the calculation in the units rod last time. Now today we will do the calculation in the tens rod. Now where is the tens rod? Just besides the units rod. In the left hand side, this is the units rod, and just left hand side there is the tens rod. This is tens rod and its one bead value is 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. Again I am repeating 10, 20, 30, 40. So today, as our today's topic, we will do the calculation in the tens rod, this rod, and its one bead value is 10, 20, 30, 40, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4. In units rod, one bead value is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. But in tens rod, one bead value is 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. I hope you are getting it. So students, let's start our calculations now. Now the first which we have to add is 10. First of all, set your abacus, upper beads up and the lower beads down. Very good. Done. Now up, down, up, down. As you know, for adding you have to do up, for subtracting you have to do down with your finger, index finger. And for up, use the thumb. Now students, before doing the calculations, you have to set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down, and today you have to do the calculation in tens rod, lower beads, our today's topic. As you can see, I am not taking the upper beads this time. In my other videos, we will do the calculations in upper beads also, but today we will only do the calculation in tens rod, lower beads, only these 4. As in the last time, in our last video, We have done the calculation in units rod lower beats. Now today we will do the calculation in tens rod lower beats. So see, here is 10 first of all. Add 10. Then what you have to add? 20. 10, 20. Then what you have to add? 10. Then minus 20. 10, 20. For minus down. So what is left out? 10, 20 is left out. See class, how easy it is. Now for second sum, set your abacus, lower beads down. Now what is the sum? 10. 10. Now again 10. 10. Now minus 20. 10, 20. See what it is? Nothing is there. 0. Now again 30. 10, 20, 30. Minus 20. Minus down. 10, 20. Now add 10. What is the answer? 10, 20. Now again you have to add 20. Set your abacus first of all. Now 20, 10, 20. Now minus 10. Down. Then again 20, 10, 20. Now what is your answer? 10, 20, 30. Now set your abacus. What is your first? 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Minus 30. 10, 20, 30. Minus down. Now again you have to add 10. 10. So what is your answer? 10, 20. Remember students, in our today's topic we have to use the tens rod. This tens rod we have to use. So don't forget to do the calculation in this tens rod, and whatever sums you are getting in your homework, please do those sums in your rough notebook and practice them. As I always says, the more you practice, the better the results are. So practice at home. Thank you.